Hello guys, welcome back to our another brand new video. Today I'm going to share you how to earn money from online. Very simple way. You know that now you can earn from your home by doing freelancing like Fiverr, freelancing, Upwork or something like that. So many places, marketplaces. So whatever you can do, you can earn money by giving the service. Like you can take good photo, you can do open Facebook page, you can open Instagram, whatever you can earn money by giving this service. Today I'm giving share you simple tricks how can earn money by giving service. You can you cannot think, is it possible? Yes, is it possible? Okay, let's go. I'll share you how can make thumbnail and how can earn money. Let's go. Okay. I search Canva and just I will share you the simple thing, very easy tricks how can make a good thumbnail. Okay. I'm searching thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Then you can see. Oh shit! Wait. Okay, let's go screen. I'll share you how to make a good thumbnail by using Canva. Okay, search on Canva. Canva. Okay, then search YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Then you can choose here a good thumbnail. Then you can customize it. Okay, I just share you. This is the Canva, and here thumbnail. 8,568 thumbnail have. So you can choose anyone, whatever you want, or the which one you also like. Mm, 5 ideas. No, I know, no. So, okay, okay. How is it? I already do this. Okay. I take this one. This is the thumbnail. Now I will customize it. First of all, I put my photo here. So I already have the PNG photo, and you know how to make PNG. Like you can remove background, remove site, and you can PNG. So I take this and just simple I put here. See, automatic. You take it. Now this is the main thing. How you thinking whatever you want or the which type thumbnail you want to make. Okay. Uh, I don't this. I delete this because I will text my one. My thumbnail category is the top 10 social media apps. So just a simple here elements and search top 10 social media apps. Then first of all, Instagram. See, Instagram logo. Why? Or if you don't find here, then you can just upload from Google and just again upload here from this. Maybe Instagram logo. Oh, yeah, what's Twitter? Twitter, Facebook, I guess no. This one, Facebook, YouTube, YouTube, or TikTok, TikTok. Okay. This one, TikTok, Pinterest, Pinterest, REST, yes, Pinterest, Reddit, okay, Reddit, no, this, Reddit, yes, WhatsApp, yes, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn, what? LinkedIn, wow, LinkedIn, this one, this, and Instagram again, Instagram, this, okay. I have to I'll change this color, the background color, because you see someone cannot see. So which color will be good? Not this. How is it? I think this one will go. Now I'll customize it. If my video is the longest, then maybe I will make two part. This is will be first part, and another is second part. This video will be big because I will make it professionally. So today, that's it. I will share you details one in the next part. Thank you.